The fundamental principle which refers to the fact that locations that are closer together are more likely to have similar values than locations that are far apart is commonly referred to as. The first option is Tobler's first law of geography. The second one is Kepler's first law of geography. The third one is Anthony's first law of geography. Then we have the Thomson's first law of geography. The correct answer is Tobler's first law of geography. Now this person which you see is Waldo Tobler. He gave the Tobler's first law of geography. According to his law, everything is related to everything else, but near things are more related than distant things. See, you and your mother are related more than you and your teacher. This is just the Tobler's first law of geography. If a person lives in outside world, different country, you will never be knowing him, meeting him. There will be no relationship between you two. So this first law of Tobler law, which we are calling, is the foundation for spatial dependence and spatial autocorrelation. Spatial means data which have the location information. Autocorrelation means the relation, how much it is there, they are auto or by automatically they are correlating by themselves, or they are correlated by themselves. So it is referring to the presence of systematic spatial variation in a mapped variable, where adjacent observation they will have similar data values, and the similar data value map shows positive spatial autocorrelation. Similar data, spatial correlation, positive. Dissimilar data, negative correlation. So this negative spatial correlation or autocorrelation, if you see here, and in this positive spatial autocorrelation, if you see one block, these all blocks are from left, right, center, all are white in the upper part, all are of different color in the lower part. So they are very much autocorrelated. Positive spatial autocorrelation. When you go to the other figure, which is the negative spatial correlation, there are different colors in every block. That is, they are close in space, but the dissimilarity in attributes is shown here. So we have the similarity when the things are closer. We have dissimilarity when they are closer, but they have dissimilarity in their attributes.